Hello everybody, let's glue book Christmas. Get started. Here's a gift bag like that. Okay. You don't want to put too much thick items in your book, or your book will get really fat. And you know I don't mind that with me, because I just add something on it. I mean, I don't add something. I'll just put a rubber band or something around it. Okay. Now, you know, when I glue book, I do not finish a page. I just glue all the way around. No rhyme, no reason. Okay, I had said that I was wrapping this book up. This book is far from being done. This one is the pink Flamingo. This one is far from being done. It is not be done anytime soon. Oh. Oh, that's a strip from my reflections. I don't know what project I did that one on. If I remember, I'll say it. If I know what project it is, I'm going to tell you, because I work hard on them, so you could go and take a look at them. Because glue book sessions last a long time, but when I'm showing you my projects, those are a little, sometimes 4-minute videos or 5-minute videos, but they take forever to do, to create. So I'm going to tell you. Oh boy, where did that end up? I don't want to have words on words. I almost wanted to just leave it like that, and guess what? That's how I want it to fall, and that's how it's going to fall. Merry Christmas to those who love and see each day, and others loved ones far away, to all good friends whose friendship means so much, and those with whom we're somehow out of touch. Okay. Right. Oh, I said I was going to use the things that I showed you. And here I am off to the races using other things. Here, like I said, tissue paper. I'm off to the races using other things. I forgot that fast. Why didn't you remind me, guys? You were just supposed to say, hey, Micki. Then you say you was going you were going to use the things that you showed us in the video. Well, here's tissue paper. Okay. I'm finished. It's gonna take a minute for it to get where it's going. Maybe a long minute. Maybe a short minute. Who knows? But this is unfinished. Okay, what else did I say I had? Ugh. Oh, the paper. Oops, I didn't want to take his little heady poo off. I said, don't take my heady poo off. Where's my scissors? Cut it out. Alrighty, what else did I say? How you add cards? I had packaging. I had. Well, we'll use this, even though it's not Christmas. We will use parts of it. Let's see. What else? Cards, product packaging, paper, brochures, and all that mess. I'm not cutting this up yet. Well, Christmas tree. Oh, look at the back. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. I thought this was just one side. Now, normally I wouldn't put the whole thing in, but this one I am because look at that. Oh, Christmas tree. I used to love when this came on it. You knew it was Christmas. You knew it was any season when Charlie Brown came on. The Great Pumpkin, it's Halloween. The Thanksgiving one for Thanksgiving, you knew it was time. Wasn't time to celebrate in that time until this show came on. Wasn't time to start celebrating until Charlie Brown came on. And I love me a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. I'll put that somewhere. somewhere else. I'll stick that there. Ooh, looks like it almost wants to go there. Does it? Oh my goodness. See in here, that's a piece of napkin behind here and a piece there. I think I'm going to put him there because that's where he landed. That's where he's going. Oh, look at that. Wow, did I use this up that fast? And the sad thing is they don't have it anymore at the Dollar Tree. That was a calendar piece I told you about. I'm gonna put that there. Why? Because that's where it landed. It was that cover. There we go. There we go. Okay, what else did I have? I said product packaging. I was going to cut this up until I decided to use it as a pencil, as a scissor holder. That would have been fun. But he's going to stay there all season. There's cards, all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's see what we can do with Miss Maxine. Miss Maxine. See, I've written all in this. I'm going to show you that. That's personal. If each day is a gift, I like to know where to return Mondays. She's so, I like her. With age comes wisdom. And of course, hot flashes. You could toast marshmallows on it. I'm not there yet. Okay. Right. What part? Okay, let's use this part. Right here. I'm going to cut this part off. And use it in my book as pattern paper. Yep. See, that's Christmassy. This was a Mother's Day card, but I stuck a snowman sticker down there. And and this was over time. It wasn't the same day. I probably came in with the card, then later came in with the sticker, later came in another time. So if you're gonna be here thinking you're gonna see some wonderful art and I'm gonna have a finished layout, no. In time. In time. See how I like that. I like that. Let's see, if you don't have pattern paper, you make yourself some pattern paper. I don't know, I like the border. See, but I'm going to border. Because I can't help myself. I'm going to mow it up. Oh, that's pretty. I think I like that side better. I don't have that little. I was supposed to be doing Christmas though, right? Right. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. What else do I have? What else do I have? What else do I have? I'm trying to think of all the things that, oh, okay. Here's some pattern paper. This is product packaging. I would normally keep this to make a tag out of. You can put it in your book as a tag, you know, and or as pattern paper. So let's cut the, I don't want this part in there since I'm not going to use it. Oh, I could have used, no. Cut it right here. idea. There we are. Instant pattern paper. Because I know I have a lot of scraps for my projects. And many people, they don't have that. So use what you have to. And if you don't mind your book being thick, you just get a ribbon, or from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to have to go get one because mine broke. But you can get a ribbon to tie it closed. That's pretty. What else did I say? I gave a suggestion to use. I don't remember. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. What? Before the camera cuts off? Yes, before the camera cuts off. I'm a little tired today. But I would like to thank you for stopping by. Again, I hope you had a very nice holiday. I hope you got something out of this, to show you in the last video. Now, see, now I'm going to have to put that video up first and then this one to show you, to look around for stuff that may add interest to your glue books that for Christmas time, that people will be handing you. They'll be handing you, what's this? Gift wrapping, and you'll have pieces of tissue paper, and they'll hand you cards, and there'll be tons of product packaging that'll be not Christmas themed, holiday themed, winter themed. I said this, your brochures. Oh, there's some washi off there. Let me put that down. Okay, I am so easily distracted. So, I think I hit all of it for now, till I can think of something else. All right, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.